I don't like that thing.
This is your liver right here. First part of the liver you need to know is underneath it is another gland called the gallbladder right here. Here's something very important. The green thing, gallbladder. Something very important. Liver makes the bile. The gallbladder doesn't make bile.
Stores it.
Stores it, you got it. The liver makes the bile, the gallbladder stores it. And then some hormones tell the gallbladder to contract, and they shoot the bile down to our duodenum. So that's the gallbladder. Now, I'm going to be careful here. And this is not going to be that easy. Right here, I have a right hepatic duct, and right here I have a left hepatic duct. They come together right here. All right? They come together to right here, and they fuse. And then that duct right there combines with my cystic duct. This is my cystic duct running from the gallbladder out to my bile duct. All right? So when the cystic duct fuses with my bile duct, it becomes the common bile duct. Now this liver has no numbers on it. Let me grab one that does. Let me give you numbers for these guys. Awesome. Say again? Okay, I'll bring it back. Cystic, left. Oh, shoot. All right. Let's just go in order. Look at this. 427 and 427 they're numbered the same right here and here. Really, this is the right hepatic duct and this is the left hepatic duct, really. And then they fuse together right here to make the common hepatic duct. And it's really short. The common hepatic duct right there is really short. And then the common hepatic duct fuses with my cystic duct, which is 428. My cystic duct is 428 right here. My common hepatic duct, which really doesn't have a number, because my left hepatic and my right hepatic are both numbered 427. But when my common hepatic duct fuses with my cystic duct, they become the common bile duct, which is 431 right there. Common bile duct. Now look at this common bile duct. I'll show you. You pass this over. This common bile duct runs down through here. I can see it right there. What number is that right there? That green one?
320.
This common bile duct I can also see right here. It's number 320. And where does it go? It dumps its bile into the duodenum. How does it get there? It fuses with the pancreatic duct. Matter of fact, it shares the major duodenal papilla. The common bile duct fuses with the pancreatic duct and shares the major duodenal papilla. For some of us have a separate opening.
What?
Most of us, our common bile duct fuses with our pancreatic duct, and we have and it shares the major duodenal papilla. But for some of us, the common bile duct has its own opening into the duodenum. But we teach you the average anatomy. So we're teaching you that the common bile duct joins the pancreatic duct, and you can see it joining it right there. You can see that green right there, it's joining it. And then it'll share the major duodenal papilla to dump the bile in there. So, it doesn't fuse for all of us.
Is there any disadvantages?
Some lobes of the liver. No, I don't know. Maybe there's some disadvantages. I can't think of any apparent ones. I'd have to think hard about it. Here's the liver. I have the right lobe and I have the left lobe. Turn it over. I can still see my right lobe and my left lobe. All right? But I have two other lobes here. I have this one that looks like a tail. All right, it actually looks like the tail of my right lobe. Here's my right lobe. That looks like the tail of it. And this one that looks like a rectangle, a four-sided structure. Well, the one that looks like a four-sided structure is called the quadrate. The one that looks like a tail is called the caudate. Caudal, tail, caudate. So 418 is the caudate lobe, and 419 is the quadrate lobe. The right lobe is this one here. I don't see a number. And the left lobe is here. And of course, it's pretty easy. Right lobe and left lobe.
410 and 412.
Yeah, I don't see a 410 and 412. Yeah, this one doesn't. This one.